Hello food lovers and welcome back to my kitchen. Retetele Raditei. Today we're making something incredibly cozy, nutritious and oh so delicious, a creamy red lentil soup. This recipe is a game changer, perfect for a chilly evening or whenever you need a bowl of comfort. It's super easy, packed with flavor, and you probably have most of the ingredients in your pantry already. So let's get cooking. First up, our ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of red lentils. These little guys are fantastic because they cook quickly and break down beautifully, giving us that creamy texture without any cream. We'll also need 1 onion, 2 carrots, and a small piece of celery root for our aromatic base. Grab 2 cloves of garlic because what's a soup without garlic, right? For our spice blend, we're using 1 teaspoon each of sweet paprika, turmeric, and cumin. This combination adds warmth, color, and a wonderfully earthy flavor. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of oil, about 1 liter of vegetable broth, and of course salt and black pepper to taste. Finally, for that fresh, zesty finish, we'll use a lemon and some fresh herbs like parsley. Let's get to the prep work, which is super straightforward. Start by giving your red lentils a good rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any dust or debris. Next, it's time to chop our veggies. Finely chop the onion, dice the carrots, and do the same with the celery root. The smaller you chop them, the faster they'll cook and melt together. Now, grab a large pot or a Dutch oven and place it over medium heat. Add your 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's shimmering, toss in the chopped onion, carrots, and celery root. We're going to saute these for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become soft and the onion is translucent. This step is all about building that foundational layer of flavor. Once the veggies are softened, it's time to add the minced garlic. Stir it in and cook for just another minute until it's fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn. Next comes the magic of our spice blend. Sprinkle in the paprika, turmeric, and cumin. Give everything a good stir and let the spices toast for about 30 seconds. Your kitchen is going to start smelling absolutely incredible at this point. Toasting the spices really awakens their flavors and makes a huge difference in the final taste of the soup. Now pour in your vegetable broth and add the rinsed lentils. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it as ready when the lentils are completely soft and have started to fall apart. They should be super tender. Once everything is cooked through, it's time to get that silky, smooth texture. You can use an immersion blender and blend the soup directly in the pot until it's done as creamy. If you don't have one, carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. Just be sure to let it cool a little first and don't overfill the blender to avoid any accidents. Blend until you reach your desired consistency. If you find the soup is a bit too thick, you can add a splash more broth or even just some hot water until it is perfect for you. We're almost there. Return the blended soup to the pot if you used a countertop blender. Now, we season. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. And for the secret weapon, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This brightens up all the flavors and adds a beautiful zesty kick that cuts through the richness. Taste and adjust the seasoning one last time. Plating this soup is half the fun. Ladle the hot soup into a bowl. For a touch of elegance, you can add a swirl of good quality olive oil on top. A thin ring of plain yogurt or a dollop of sour cream also adds a lovely tang and creaminess. Sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And my personal favorite, add some crunchy croutons for texture. The contrast is just divine. This creamy lentil soup is a complete meal on its own, but it pairs wonderfully with some warm flatbread or crusty bread for dipping. You could also serve it with a light green salad on the side. If you want to boost the protein, a perfectly poached egg on top is an amazing addition. And there you have it, a simple, healthy, and incredibly flavorful cream of lentil soup that will warm you from the inside out. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.